Hello, my YouTube family. I welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel. I'm a well-wisher, healer, and your friend Shazia Khan. Hope you are well and taking care of yourself. So let's start today's video. So stay with me, and don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I am back in your service with a new and interesting video. So to know the video must watch the video till the end. So let's start today's video. So stay with me till the end of the video. In early childhood, children's brains develop rapidly. They are also susceptible to experience during this time. As such, parents and educators are always looking for ways to provide the most conducive environment of their growth. One activity that is particularly beneficial for preschoolers is music and movement. Music and movement promote physical, social emotions and conjunctive development. It improves gross motor skills, coordinations and balance. Moreover, it allows children to express themselves creatively and develop self-confidence and self-esteem. Music and movement also provide a platform for children to interact and socialize with their peers. They learn about sharing, cooperation, taking turns, and working together. Music and movement activities can also improve children's language and communication skills. This is achieved by learning new words and concepts through songs and movement. This video will develop into their many benefits for preschool children development. We will explore the science behind the activity advantages. We will also provide practical tips on how to incorporate music and movement into your preschoolers' daily routines. Music and movements are powerful tools for promoting preschool children healthy development. They offer a fun and engaging way of your children to learn and explore the world around them. Research shows they can significantly affect a child's physical, social, emotion, and cognitive growth. Motor skill development. Music and movement activities provide a fun and engaging way for preschool children to develop motor cycles. Dancing, clapping, jumping, and moving to the rhythm can help children improve coordinations, balance, and strength. For example, dancing helps children develop coordinations and balance as they learn to move their bodies in time with the music. Language and communication skills. Participating in activities such as singing, learning rhymes, and moving around can greatly help children. Through such activities, they learn new world ideas and rhythms. Engaging in these activities is also enjoyable for children to build their language skills. This can ultimately contribute to their academic success and social interactions. Additionally, children can develop the capacity to express themselves creativity and confidently. They can learn to articulate their thoughts and feelings. These skills are essential for establishing positive relationship and negativity the social world. Emotional development. Preschoolers can learn to express their emotions through music and movement. Children can learn to recognize and regulate their emotions, build self esteem, and develop empathy for others. Such activities can also help them develop a sense of belonging and connections with others. This is essential for their emotion well being. For example, group singing or dancing activities can help children feel a sense of unity and togetherness. In addition, research has shown that music can also help reduce stress and anxiety in children. This can have a positive impact on their emotional health. Social development. Through music and movement, preschooler can learn to interact and socialize with their peers. They can learn about sharing, cooperation, and teamwork. These are social skills that will benefit them throughout their lives. For example, playing an instrument in a group can help children learn to listen to others and work together to create music. This can also help them develop a sense of responsibility and commitment of their group. These social skills are essential for building positive relationship with others. This encourages them to develop empathy and understanding in negativity and social world. Music and movement games. This is one of the best ways to use music and movement. Fun games like Simon says can help improve their skills and in listening and following directions. While dancing along to a fun song can help develop coordinations and gross motor skills. Try dance games like freeze dance, singing and nursing rhythms. Singing children song can help develop language and communications skills. Apart from singing nursery rhymes, you can also ask them to sing their favorite song. Dancing and creative movement activities. Creating dance routine or using props to move to action song can help develop gross motor skills, body awareness and spatial awareness. It can also help them develop a love for physical activity. Playing musical instrument doing so can help develop fine motor skills, hand eye coordinations and creativity. It can also help foster a love for music and inspire future musical interest. Music and movement story time. During story time, act out stories or use instrument to create sound effect. This can help develop imaginations, listening skills, and language and communications skills. Mindfulness activities. Use music and movement as a tool for mindfulness and emotional regulations. Encourage children to focus on their breath and move in sync with the soothing music to help calm their mind and bodies. Outdoor nature walks. Take them on nature walks and use music and movement to engage with their surroundings. This can help develop curiosity, creativity, and appreciations for nature. In addition, this can provide physical activity opportunities in incorporating music and movement. Research has shown that musical training can help children develop important uh, cognitive skills such as memory, attention, and spatial reasoning. Additionally, movement activities such as dancing can help to develop their spatial awareness. This is so important for mathematical reasoning and problem solving. These activities can help children develop their creativity and critical thinking skills. These are essential for academic success and personal growth. I hope you all like this video of mine very much. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. I hope that all of you are getting progress, prosperity in your works and life. May Allah keep you all successful like this. So now give me permission to say goodbye. I will be back again with a new video, with a new speed, with a new day, with a new happiness. Take care of yourself. Remember, be in your prayers. Have a nice day. Goodbye. And don't forget to subscribe. Incorporating music and movement into a preschooler's daily routine is easy but crucial for their development. It can help their cognitive, social, emotional, motor, and language skills, all the while providing opportunities for creativity and self expressions ultimately. Thank you very much.